We may see actual jobs growth today in the December employment report, but it is still a long road back to where we left off before the financial crisis. We go now to Sara Eisen, who has a reality check for us.
That's right, Scarlett. Now, we may actually see jobs growth. That's a great start, but we still have a long way to go to even see a job market that resembles pre-crisis levels. Stocks, bonds, markets have priced in a leveling off in jobs, but whether they can rally further, that depends on how many jobs we can create and just how fast. Let's take a look at some scenarios here. Here is the peak right before the crisis, right before we lost 7.2 million jobs. Now, say we added an average of 50,000 jobs a month. That's what we saw in the past two most recent recessions. That would still take us 11 years to gain back all of the jobs that we lost during the crisis. Let's say we double that, 100,000 jobs a month. That sounds great, right? But it's actually still not too good. Quadruple it, 200,000 jobs per month on average. Sounds like a lot, but by the end of the year, that would only give us 2.4 million jobs by the end of this year. And remember, we lost about 7 million, so that's not even halfway there. And it doesn't even account for a growing population. Now, the best case scenario here we would have to see hundreds of thousands of jobs. We're talking 100,000 on average. Now, that's not a random number. It may seem like it, but it's actually how much we lost during the crisis between November 2008 and November 2009. If we can grow at that speed, then you would see a V-shaped jobs recovery here. That would be the best case scenario. Something like that you could theoretically see for this rally in the markets to continue. But I should warn you, by historical standards, it is not very likely. So the bottom line here, yes, growth would be good to see in the jobs market today, moving in the right direction, maybe bottoming out here. But don't forget, it's going to take some very big numbers to get each month, on average, to get anywhere close to where we left off.
All right, big reality check there for the jobs market. Thank you so much, our own Sara Eisen.